Welcome to my art studio. Today I'm going to show you how I painted this cat with watercolor paints. I hope you're excited for this one because it's going to be adorable. Hello, my name is Kimberly and I run Kim Everhard Art, where I make watercolor paintings, prints, and so much more so that you can experience nature's beauty in your home. I paint a lot of different things, but typically I stick to landscapes and some wildlife illustrations. I go hiking and backpacking a lot, and that's where I get my inspiration to create. I love to make artwork that inspires people. I think that nature is super inspiring, and it just helps me find peace and excitement in my life. So that's why I typically paint nature. I like to share that with people. But my sister-in-law and I want to create a children's book. So in between these typical landscape nature paintings, I try to dedicate some time to working on this project of ours. I am very excited for it. I really want to create this book that we have this cool concept for, but when it comes down to it, I'm not a trained illustrator. I am a painter. So coming up with illustrations and scenes and things like that, especially for what we're creating, which is an animal character, it's a very difficult thing for me to do. So I'm learning along in the process. With that said, sometimes when I'm working on these illustrations, it can be very frustrating because, like I said, I'm not really trained in this, so I'm learning as I go. That's kind of what happened the other day. I was working on this illustration book project, and it was just not coming together. Nothing was coming out right. I just got really frustrated and got to the point where I really just needed to create something good. You know, when you're working on something and it's just not going well, you just need to, it just feels really good to do something you know you're good at. So that's what I wanted to do, and I wanted to also do something that was just fun and lighthearted. So I went into my phone, pulled out a few photos of my cats, and it was very easy to find some because I have many photos. And I just started painting some little cute portraits. And these portraits specifically are of my cats sleeping because I think they are so adorable when they're sleeping. And I thought it would be an adorable series of prints also. So after I created these, and I did five paintings, 5 portraits, and I'll show at the end what those all look like together. But I just loved dedicating some time to portraying them. I love my cat so much, and it was really fun to make these cute, quirky portraits of them. And I really loved how they turned out. It really did just work as a mood booster for me. I was really feeling down about the other illustration project, and this one just helped me to feel a bit better, and I just got super excited about my art again, and I got to make this really fun series based on these paintings. So I actually created a whole line of products from these illustrations that you can find in my shop. You can get these cats on prints for your wall, stickers, notebooks, matching bookmarks, and more on my website, kimeverhardart.com, and I will link that in the description below. I hope that when you look through that series, it really just brings a smile to your face and you will just be slightly happier than you were before, because cats do that for me, and I hope that it does that for you. I hope that you enjoyed watching my process. I know I didn't really talk about the process at all for this one, but it was just more of a laid back video where I get to tell you the story behind the painting. If you are interested in products and materials that I use, I will link those in the description below also. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.